¿Qué tal amigos? Out here from the Code in the Market. Again, happy to be here today sharing more information. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. Hoping you are doing well, enjoying your week with your family and friends. Today is Friday, November 13th. Let's take a look at a couple currency pairs and find some possible entries and get ready for these upcoming days and make a profitable week. Let's start with Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. Let's take a look some levels. Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, as long as the price it's above this trend line, we are considering that the price is an uptrend. Actually it is, but as long as don't drop below this trend line, we consider that Australian dollar it's going to have a little troubles and go to the downtrend and test this support level right up here, but not for now. Like I said before, guys, hopefully you are following my videos, my technical analysis in my previous videos. A possible entry, we need to wait until price break above 0.9558, and if you are noticing, we have a trend line that it's coming from this level. Let me put it like 3 days to make it a little bit more clear for you guys, and coming from November 8, 2016, breaking all these levels, touching these levels, and then now the present days. So that is the reason that for me looks more appealing that the next coming days, like I've been explaining to you earlier in my previous videos, that the price must close above, since the price is looking that is rising and is still in the chart, 3 days chart. This trend line is still in place, still in the game. So in the next coming days, if we are gonna place an order to the uptrend, we need to wait until the price, like I explained it to you in my previous videos, guys, price must close. In this case, if you notice, we have another triangle. Probably you guys are starting getting familiar with this technical analysis, so, and you pretty much know what I'm going to tell you. The price must close above now these two levels, this trend line, and this right now is getting a resistant price right now in 3 days chart, because close below this trend support level. So like I said, let's start again. The price must go up, come back, test these two areas, and maybe it going to test this trend line. If the price close above these three, this is gonna be a nice entry, but not less until we wait the third candle, guys. Remember, the third candle must going up, and if the third candle goes up, wait until at least 50% or 75% of the candle. Well, it's gonna be a little hard to realize how much is 50% or 75%. You never know how much is gonna rise or how much volume is gonna be in that particular time. So, but consider that the price it's going up, test this price, and then when price close above this area, you can make an entry. And the possible target in this moment would be, let's see, this looks horrible, but anyway, let me bring it back and make it a little bit clearer. And 8 hours chart. So once again, the price must close above, come back, close above this trend line, and the third candle must go rise. And the next target would be this particular area. If you notice, we have right here a multiple levels of resistance. Let me put it right there, right here. And right here, guys, I recommend it to you to take your profit right up here, because price most likely is going to react the same way in these levels right here, like one over here another, right here, and a couple more here. So may likely is going to react the same way, and the price is going to come back to this level and maybe touch again this level right here. I'm not sure, but the sure thing is that you need to wait, because right now I'm gonna show you in another chart with more indicators. Right now the price, it's right in the middle. From this level, it was resistance, break above the resistance, and then may likely the price is coming down right here and test support. May happen, may not, but we'll see. And then the price is going to rise and touch this level, and this is going to be a very interesting moment to pay attention, because if the price break above this resistance, we have this area that can hit eventually. When it's gonna happen? May happen this coming days, or may happen the next week, but we need to be very careful. At the moment the price touch this area, may do some kind of resistance and break above, maybe, but we need to take it. Right now, for me, it's not appealing, it's not kind of inviting to get an entry until we break above this resistance, because you never know if it's gonna get another resistance and come back to this level. We don't know. So that is the reason we need to be very patient, guys, at the moment we make our decision to get into the market and get a position. So that is the possibility with the AUD, the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Looks like the price, it's strong so far. If you notice, the price is closing above this EMA and is getting very, very strong. That's why I've been telling you guys that the possibility, if this line it's going to continue right here to the uptrend, maybe the price is gonna touch. If you notice, the price, when I was telling you that the possibility that come back and test this support, is because as long as this EMA goes up, we have a strong support right here to continue to the uptrend. That is another possibility that we have to go long in Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Now let's take a look at another pair. Okay, amigos, let's take a look euro Canadian dollar. For me, the most appealing moment to get into the euro Canadian dollar, if you notice, let's take a look right here. Let's do this right now. This is what I'm noticing in this moment. Looks like it's touching from here. One, it was a break above. If you notice, guys, the technical analysis about the third candle, look how this works sometimes. That's why you need to be very aware how the market moves, because right here break above and then come back, touch and close below this trend line, and the third candle close above. But this is not the right way to get an entry right here. This is one of those things that you need to be very, very aware about how the market works, because all the price must close above this trend line to make an entry. And right here, a lot of people, I believe, get caught in the wrong side of the market. But anyway, I already explained it to you that. And if you notice, look how it was a massive drop right here in euro Canadian dollar. And then, but let's take a look the present days. Since I already showed you how many touches have this trend line, now we have another touch right here. And for me, the best appealing moment to get into the euro Canadian dollar is the same rule that I've been telling you about in my previous technical analysis. Must close above, come back and test support and close above this trend line, and make sure the third candle is going up. And right here, when the price goes above this area right here, you can make an entry to go to the uptrend and expect to hit this level. And then right here we expect to have some kind of resistance price and make some kind of move to the downtrend. And I'm not sure how low it's gonna get, but maybe it's gonna come back and do this and go to the uptrend. But we need to be aware about first this observation that I already explained it to you guys. Let's take a look and with more indicators right here. Like I said, we expect that the price looks like the price is bullish right here right now, and maybe if you notice didn't touch this resistance, but it was kind of close. So that means is that we need to wait a little bit more, because right here I don't see any particular moment that we can get into until the price breaks above this support, resistant price. And yeah, once again, the same rule applies until price close above. For me, it's more appealing to wait until the price close above, come back, test, and resume the price and touch this particular level. Because if you notice, we have like 3 touches right here. We have one, we have right here another one, we have a couple over here, we have another one over here, and may the price do the same thing at the time the price get to this to this level, and you can take your profit right here, and it probably is gonna be not much pips, but I think you can make a good entry right up here and get your profit over here. And in that particular moment, if we notice that the price is strong enough, we can hold our trade and expect that the price is going to move all the way right up here. Let's make a little longer and see. You already got the idea right here, guys, right here. So, and probably the price, if breaks is strong in this area and breaks 1, 2, 3, and 4, and actually the 5th, most likely the price is gonna touch this level right up here. And right here again, right here, don't wait until, if you're gonna hold your, I don't recommend you hold your trade, just take your profit, because this is the price that may have a strong resistance and the price may go down. Okay guys, like I said before, wait till the end of the video and you will see more suggestions, and I'm going to upload another video from cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, XRP, and some others, and hopefully I can see you in the next video. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Share the video, give a like if you find something interesting in this video, and I really hope that I can see you in the next video. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will return with my answer if I have the answer for your questions, of course. Okay guys, have a wonderful day, and see you in the next video. Thanks.